So this week in the wood shop we got a big delivery of Black Locust from a local arborist. And I went ahead and milled some of it up and decided to turn something green. So I started out with a nice spindle shape here and started moving towards making a vase. And I wasn't quite sure what I was doing at this point. Just thought, hey, I want to turn some of this wood and see how it looks. So we got us down to a kind of a traditional flower pot shape. That I'm really quite happy with. You know, I wasn't sure if I was going to go and hollow the whole thing out or just put a glass tube in it for flowers. So I sanded it down, went ahead and drilled out that first 1-inch hole. Just kind of got to get a look at what it looked like. Had to go in with a spade bit to get it all the way down deep. So I widened out the neck on that. Was pretty happy with the overall shape and how thin I got it. So I stopped it up and sanded it down. Still had a lot of that fluffy grain from the bark area on this. It's a weird wood to work with, but it's really pretty. So I went ahead and got the visualizer out and set up the Trent Bosch hollowing system so I could get the wall thickness where I wanted it. And I got it down to just about 4 or 5 millimeters. And it took a polish really nice. The wood turned smooth. I didn't get that weird warping and twisting you get when you're working on a super wet green piece of wood. And that grain is just gorgeous. All those tawny colors. There's even some pinks in there. And the bark eventually stabilized, and I got that sanded pretty flat as well. It was time to take the foot off. I just used a blue shop towel and a jam chuck, and then made my traditional beaded foot. This is kind of my signature foot that I put on almost everything, unless I'm trying for car feet or something like that. But I really like this rounded beaded foot. Tried to get a shot inside here. You can see it's pretty smooth overall. Can't get your fingers all the way in there, but it looks pretty nice. And again, the grain patterns turned out great. Only sanded at right around 400. But the best part of Black Locust is this cool effect you get with the black light. I just love looking at that. There's a kind of contrasting picture there where you can see the greens and yellows and purples. Shine the light on it just right. So overall, I really recommend Black Locust. I think it's a fun wood to turn, and I hope you get out there and turn something. Appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring your notification bell. Have a great day.